Okay, guys, here's a revised drawing. If this is our microwave cabinet, due to the angle, we can't get any drawers. I need this to be about 33, unless you get a really small microwave. So the left side comes further away from this fridge leg, but there's no room to put drawers because they'll hit this panel back here. But set of doors, microwave, the bottom of this would be about 56 inches off the floor. Your fridge, of course. And I pushed the Peninsula back. The corner used to land here. From this corner to the fridge corner, we have 4 feet. This is much wider. Same, added 10 inches to this. Peninsula's, yes, 6 feet. This cab's 32 5/8. Hood, so we need an insert. I would try to find a shallow one because typically we need to come out 24. Now, if you can find one most of them are 19 inches from front to back, and it'll be about 28 wide for a 30-inch range. And then if you do the buffet, this is 6 feet, glass doors, and if you want mullions or not, or the cross hatches. Okay, let me know what you think of this, and if that works, we can rebid.